I know. The last 2 days have been crazy. They have been really crazy. I'm in Kasol right now, and it was a really spontaneous plan. We had a friend. We had two friends who were playing a gig, a techno gig here in Chalal, Kasol. So we are here, and I could not record anything because I was so tired, because it took us almost 20 hours from Delhi to reach here because of the traffic. I'm in the woods right now. This is day second, and we are trying to get a better hotel because yesterday was very rushed, and my friends are over there. We are a group of 12 people, but right now it's just the 4 of us, and we are trying to get a good hotel, and then we'll head on to the nature and we'll try to record a lot of stuff. Let's see how this trip goes. And didn't we just come back from Goa? This is the Parvati river, and it's roaring. You can hardly, you'll probably won't hear my voice. So that's why I'm speaking so close to the camera. Pixel Avid, aka Rahul Panwar, is taking videos for his Instagram. And we have a couple of tourists here. And this is the final... What? Countdown? No. So this is the final checkpoint before we go onto that bridge and go all the way to Kasol. We have finally reached, there's the bridge to Kasol, and we'll check out the market. I'll try to record something, and yeah, I'll see you. We have finally checked into our hotel. This one is really good. I'll show you. So here's the bed, and we have a mirror over here, and a clean washroom. That's really important for me. And oh, there's no light, but yeah. So the washroom, the room, and we have a small couch and 2 chairs. This really big window and another really big window, and check out the view. So yeah, our friends are coming back from Chalal, and we'll just relax for a little bit before we go to the market, and let's see what happens there. Oh, they have turned on the lights now. That's nice. So we are visiting this newly built park in Kasol. This is 20 rupees entry for an adult, and this was not here when I first came to Kasol, but it's pretty nice because it follows a stream of water, which I'll show in a couple of minutes. My friends are going over there. I don't know why. Giri Ahmed, shabash. शाबाश चलते रहे। तूने भी तो ट्राई किया। राहुल यार थोड़ी इंस्पिरेशन ले भाई इससे। राहुल ने कर दिया, तेरा कितना हो जाएगा? ट्राई हो। कितना क्या? इतना करना तो तूने भी कर ही दिया था रात को। हाँ कर ले। आधा कर लूँगा। कर लो। ओह। आगे रहेगा। So this is the stream I was talking about, and we'll go down right now. थोड़ा मुश्किल है लेकिन आराम से आ जाइए। So we are finally down, and this is a really cool stream. I'll check out the water. I know it's gonna be cold, and Sarthak almost fell, but that's all right. Let's check out the water. It's cold. It's really cold. It's really cold. Oh my god. But it's great. It's really great. So I'm going to put the GoPro under the water and let's see whatever footage comes out.